I'm Joel Kalu. I'm one of the product leaders for Novia, Verba Novia, but presenting Novia, becoming an effective and influential communicator. This is our agenda. I'll be speaking on a couple of things here: the problem, the solution, or key features. Our software engineer will come and give our demo, and then we'll have the financials, challenges, and what's next. So I can start with a question for everybody. How many of you have a fear of public speaking, have a fear of presenting? You can reply in the chat, put an F in the chat, and I think everybody can resonate with that idea. Even coming to decide which parts of our groups would come and present, that was a conversation based on just what persons felt about presenting. So I'll be speaking, take you on a journey with Amanda. Amanda is a young professional with 2 years in her current role, often feels overwhelmed by the idea of leading team meetings and delivering presentation. She's ambitious, like all of us, and looking for growth in her career, but struggling with fear of public speaking. I think we can all resonate with Amanda here. And the fact that communication is such an important part of our life. Earlier, Mo was talking about plumbers. Imagine if a plumber, 73% of plumbers were afraid of pipes. I don't think you could be a very effective plumber that way. But in fact, studies show 73% of the world has a fear of public speaking. And that can be due to anxiety, lack of confidence, stage fright, or lack of preparation. So Novia, our product that we created, is here to alleviate those issues. Novia is an innovative platform that uses AI and natural language processing to improve your abilities of public speaking through personalized feedback and training. And our target audience, public speaking enthusiasts, educational institutions, and non-native English speakers that would like to understand certain contexts of English, work on their tone and their structure of their content. And these are our main features. We have audio recording, video recording, and a structured content for teaching individuals, the proper way to give presentations and speeches. These are some of our tools. I'll just have a brief pause in this slide now, and I'll bring it over to our engineer that'll walk you through our demo, kind of how it works, and then we can come back to our projections. Thank you, guys.
Hi, I'm Ruth. I'm the developer for the team. So I'm just going to share my screen here. And yes, so Novia, we actually created a responsive web app. I just wanted to show this, but I'm going to rather demo the mobile version just to yeah. Okay, sorry about that. Great. So for Amanda to be able to use the app, ideally she has to log in or create an account, whichever one she prefers. But I'm just going to go straight to one of our major feature here, which is the ability to record yourself and receive feedback. So what we've done is we want people like Amanda who want to use our app to probably practice their public speaking skills a lot more to help them alleviate the fear of speaking in public and making presentations, to be able to record themselves either via audio or video, submit it to the app and receive feedback based on that. Now I'm going to test this out. I would not be able to record something right now, but just to show that it works. Hi, this is Ruth. Yeah. And play that back. I hope you can hear it. Yeah, I hope you guys could hear that. But for the purpose of this demo, I did record a very short audio, and I'm just going to pull it out to yeah, so you upload it and you just wait a few seconds, hopefully. We use AI to provide natural language processing AI to provide feedback on filler words, pace of speech, and clarity of speech. But for the purpose of this MVP, we are sticking to the filler words. It's going to not just point out the amount of filler words that you use, but also to recommend to you how you could do better. So suggestions on how you could structure your speech without filler words. We're just going to wait a bit here. Yeah.
Yeah, we can see the load bar on the
That's
top, the blue.
really,
So
yeah.
no worries. We'll wait. We're not running anywhere. But I guess as you release future versions, the speed will increase, right?
Yes, that's the idea. Probably using a better API or something. This has to do with the API, but because of time. Okay, so first you have the transcript of what you said, just for reference purposes. And this is the feedback. So thank you for providing your transcript, and it kind of also tells you, yeah, then goes to the filler words that you use, tells you what to use, how you could do better. And if you keep reading, I'm trying to go not too fast. If you keep reading, at the bottom, it would have a lot more, yeah. So remember to replace filler words with more specific and impactful language. Also give you a lot more suggestions on, improving your speech, talking about clarity as well. So this demo strictly just sticks to the filler words, but in future versions, we're going to also have like something about feedback based on the pace of speech, how fast and you talk and all that. And in future versions, we're also looking to incorporate gamification to make the process sort of fun and have people practice a lot more, because this idea of just coming in, recording yourself could be a little bit boring. Yeah. So I wanted to, now after you've recorded yourself, we do have on our dashboard, we do have metrics that I'll just go through the dashboard the way it looks. So this is the video. I wouldn't go through that right now, but yeah. Then we have metrics based on your activity on the app. There's the main one right now is the audio recorded. I just recorded something, so it has 1 here. Then your performance metrics based on the clarity of speech, based on the pace of your speech. So all of that would be the first thing Amanda sees on her dashboard whenever she comes to the app. And that's it. I just want to, since I have a bit of time, hopefully, just yeah, this is the video as well. You can come in here, record yourself either via video or audio. And in future versions, we'd have the structured content version where you put in your slides, your presentation, and AI is going to help you structure it better and just give you suggestions on how you could do better. So thank you. And yeah, I'll stop sharing my screen now.
Okay, everybody, I'll just go see for a little time. I'll finish the rest of our presentation just to go over some of the business aspects of it. So our business model as it stands essentially is one, our paid and unpaid structure of users, our partnership with educational institutions, and our partnerships with corporate partners as well. Break-even points within the first year, and in 5 years, we expect 3.4 million in revenue with 2.871 in net profits. Very low operational cost for the company. Some of the challenges, as you probably see, was understanding and developing the right API for the product, understand that personalized aspect, what we're looking for, and training that model was a key part of our issues, and members of the team from several different parts of the world. So this is our roadmap. As you see, our initial MVP here, and in the future iterations, we'll be improving on the speed as well as the feedback portion of our app. So members of the team here did a great job. Thank you guys for all the excellent work so far. And you can learn more about our product here. You can join our wait list. Looking forward to improve everyone's confidence and public speaking abilities here. So I'll have this in the chat. And thank you for listening to our presentation.
All right, let's give him a round of applause. I was saying in the chat that Joel and the Novia team seem like they don't need their own app because they're just great at speaking. Well, or maybe their app made them better as they went on. Who knows? Anyway, let's go to feedback. We'll start with Phil this time, and then we'll go to Mel and we'll end with Mo.
Yeah, great job. Really enjoyed the demo. I think, being able to see exactly how it would work definitely helps. I don't know that I have a question. I do have ideas on go-to-market strategies. Like in my mind went straight to like, okay, this seems ready to go. So well done.
We have ideas too, but we can talk, Phil, for sure.
Sure.
Yeah, if it was an investor, you might want to get a quick buck real quick, a quick 100K.
I don't have any money right now, but
all right. But what are your ideas on go-to-market strategy? Do you want to share a couple of things that might be interesting from a go-to-market perspective, Phil?
International students.
Yeah, I can speak on a part of where I think you're going, because I have strong experience in member acquisition. I was a part of BPTN, Black People in Tech Network. I'm not sure lots of persons should be familiar. So a part of that, essentially, we had lots of persons from Africa, and a member of our team is actually from India. So that's kind of how we had an understanding of his idea, understanding of kind of pronunciation, how things would work in meetings. Coming from a new country to Canada, there's lots of issues that international students have. So just to understand the vernacular of the persons in Canada, understanding how persons in Canada speak is a major part of our market. That's why we have non-native English speakers, essentially. And in the partnerships with the educational institutions and the professional institution, the corporate partners would have, we come in, I work at Intel, and they can have a training partnership with Verba Novia to say, okay, guys, these are the persons that we're presenting on our teams. You can use this platform. Whenever you have a presentation, go in, do some training, or run through this app first, and then you can have a better understanding before you're able to go and actually present into your team. So we have lots of different ideas where partnerships can come in, where persons can actually have good use, and it's based off the issues and our problems that the idea creator had, and we're kind of developing it from there.
Awesome, thanks.
Okay, sounds good. I think we have Mel next.
No questions. You guys actually answered all the things as we were going through it. Would love to also brainstorm on some go-to-market strategy, because I work with a lot of international startups and I work with a lot of people who pitch. We host several pitch competitions all the time. And so I see there's a lot of great synergy here. So I would love to collaborate or chat further.
Sounds good. Thank you. And then Mo, let's close it off.
Yeah, I just have feedback and no questions, but actually I do have a question and feedback. So the feedback was that I felt that you guys did a good job in being clear and also having not too many points that you're sharing. So I think that was a good thing. My question was around the technical aspect of it. How did you actually, is it like a model that you fine-tuned, or are you using an API that's off the market? How did you, what is the technical capabilities there?
Okay, so I'll take that. So for now, the technical aspect of it is we have people record themselves. We use first API to transcribe the audio of, like the recording, then submit that transcription to a natural language processing API. We use GPT for now. And ChatGPT, well, not the chat, but OpenAI GPT provides feedback on filler words. For now, it's just filler words, right? So it provides feedback on that. Now, in the future, we were actually looking at fine-tuning or trying probably other better NLP technologies. So, but yeah, that's what we do right now.
Great.
Yeah, and that includes like training the model. So during our test, we would figure out what it is that we want personalized specifically, and figure out how the training of the specific model would be.